Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Snapchat application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in and search for Snapchat. Once you start the search, you will be able to find the Snapchat application. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. If you haven't already installed it, go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Snapchat application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the Snapchat application. And then you can proceed with logging in or signing up to your account to start using Snapchat right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Snapchat application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.